Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can use Grok 3 for business. In order to do so, here we are at x.com and here we are in Grok. If you're looking for Grok, you can find it here in the main menu where it says Grok. If you are on the home page, you also have the chat box here that you can click and open up as well. Let's just go ahead and stick here. And as far as using Grok for business, there is just so many different applications here that you can use for your business. It's really hard to know where to start, but I'll give you one example. Let's say you are creating a product promo for your business. Well, what you can do with Grok is you can ask it to create a script for you. So let's try something out here. We'll just say create a script for my business promo skill craft AI, a platform for AI tips and tutorials. Okay, so this is just one example of something you can do for your business. And there you go. So Grok has now created a script for our promo. Now, whatever your product might be, you can do the same thing with Grok, but that's not all. I mean, there is just so much here. Let's say you're trying to negotiate a deal. I am trying to negotiate to offer my service as a video producer. Something kind of simple. And here we go. Grok is now providing us a variety of helpful tips for our negotiation. And again, we're using this specifically for Skillcraft, but you can do this for anything. Now, one thing that would probably be very important to know for your business is here at the bottom, you'll see this icon that looks like a paperclip. You can attach files here. So if you have a specific file that you want Grok to be able to analyze in order to provide some information, then you can attach that here. So if you have financials that you want Grok to take a look at, anything that might be appropriate, you can bring that in and then you can ask your questions. But let's go ahead and let's just do something more generalized. And let's just ask Grok straight up, how can you be used for business? And here it says, using Grok can significantly enhance your business operations, particularly for promoting Skillcraft. So it's talking here about Skillcraft specifically, your platform for AI tips and tutorials. As a video producer, you can leverage Grok's advanced reasoning, content generation, and deep search capabilities to create compelling promos, streamline workflows, and boost engagement. Below is a practical guide tailored to your needs, incorporating insights from web sources and X-posts where relevant, while aligning with your goal of producing a promo for Skillcraft. So here we have some really nice information that we could take a look at. And this is tailored for our platform. But this is where if you have an X account that is for your business, then Grok is going to get to know you and your business the more that you spend time with it. So it's a good idea to start a conversation with Grok, and then Grok will start to learn about you and your business so that it can add those tailored responses. And then you can go into your history where you can find your past conversations in order to be able to continue with those. You also have the option to rename your conversation. So it's a good idea to do that. If you want to stay organized, then you can have this as your kind of note-taking app if you wanted it to be. And it would be really helpful in that regard. So there is just so many applications here that you can use for your business with Grok. And I would recommend just spending some time with Grok, asking questions and organizing your chats so that way you know where everything is and you can continue with your conversations as you proceed with Grok. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe, and don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you will find a link to our link tree. There you will find our top AI recommendations. Click on any of those links to get started. You'll be helping us out, and we would greatly appreciate it. Also, we do have a promotion for Simply Financial. If you're looking for a new bank account, sign up for Simply using our referral link in the description. You will get $50 to start your account. We will get $125, and if you refer your friends, you will get $125 and they will get $50. So use that link in the description. You won't regret it.